Fire analysis and simulation in structural engineering is a specialized discipline dedicated to predicting how buildings and structural components behave when exposed to elevated temperatures during fire scenarios. The primary objective of this field is to ensure life safety, evaluate fire resistance, and design structures that can maintain stability and load-bearing capacity for a sufficient duration to allow evacuation and firefighting operations. Fire simulation integrates thermal effects, material degradation, boundary conditions, fire dynamics, and structural mechanics in order to realistically capture the complex interaction between heat exposure and structural response. At the core of fire analysis is the estimation of the thermal loading that structural components experience during a fire. Engineers must first define the time, temperature history imposed on the structure using appropriate fire models. These may range from standard fire curves used in design codes to more advanced parametric or natural fire models that account for ventilation, fuel load, and compartment geometry. In sophisticated analyses, computational fluid dynamics can be used to simulate flame development, gas temperatures, heat fluxes, and smoke movement. The resulting thermal data form the basis for subsequent structural analyses, as they determine how heat is transferred into beams, columns, slabs, and connections over time. Structural materials exhibit significant changes in behavior when exposed to high temperatures. Steel components experience a rapid reduction in stiffness and strength as temperature rises, with substantial loss of load-bearing capacity occurring at elevated temperatures. Thermal expansion of steel can generate additional internal forces in restrained members, while reduced yield strength may trigger instability and buckling. At very high temperatures, beams may develop catenary action, redistributing loads through axial tension rather than bending, and connections such as bolts and welds often become critical points of failure. Accurate fire analysis therefore requires temperature-dependent material models consistent with established design standards and advanced finite element formulations. Concrete structures respond differently to fire exposure. As temperature increases, concrete strength and stiffness decrease, particularly in compression, and severe thermal gradients may develop across slabs and walls. Reinforcement steel embedded within concrete must be tracked separately, as its temperature rise governs the residual capacity of reinforced concrete members. Fire-induced cracking, degradation of bond between concrete and reinforcement, and spalling caused by moisture pressure and thermal gradients can significantly reduce structural capacity. These phenomena must be incorporated into nonlinear material models to realistically predict structural performance under fire conditions. The response of individual structural elements under fire loading varies according to their function and boundary conditions. Steel beams subjected to fire typically undergo downward deflection as temperatures rise, forming plastic hinges and potentially transitioning into catenary action at extreme temperatures. Steel columns are particularly sensitive to fire due to buckling, as their axial load capacity decreases sharply with temperature, often governing fire protection requirements. In steel frames, global behavior such as load redistribution and restraint effects can either enhance redundancy or increase thermal stresses, with connections frequently dictating the overall failure mode. For concrete beams and slabs, temperature gradients generate internal stresses that lead to deflection and cracking, while membrane action may develop at high temperatures. Concrete columns experience altered buckling and crushing behavior, with spalling posing a major risk to load-bearing capacity. Fire analysis can be conducted using simplified hand calculations based on design codes for preliminary assessment and quick verification, or through advanced finite element modeling for detailed evaluation. In numerical simulations, thermal analysis is first performed to compute temperature distributions using appropriate convection, radiation, and material properties. These temperature fields are then applied in structural analyses that incorporate temperature-dependent material laws, geometric nonlinearity, and connection flexibility. Simulations may be sequentially coupled or fully coupled, depending on the required level of accuracy and computational effort. Modern practice increasingly relies on performance-based fire engineering, which moves beyond prescriptive code requirements to evaluate how a specific structure behaves under realistic fire scenarios. This approach involves defining credible fire events, performing detailed thermal and structural analyses, and assessing safety margins, stability, residual capacity, and failure mechanisms. Performance-based fire engineering is widely applied in complex structures such as high-rise buildings, industrial facilities, tunnels, bridges, and steel, concrete composite systems. The outputs of fire simulations typically include temperature distributions in steel and concrete, member deflections and rotations, stress and strain histories, residual load-bearing capacity, time to failure or fire resistance rating, and identification of local or global failure modes. These results support fire-resistant structural design, optimization of fire protection systems, assessment of fire-damaged structures, research into new materials and configurations, and regulatory approval of performance-based designs. In this comprehensive course, you will explore both fundamental principles and advanced applications of fire analysis and simulation using Abaqus software. Through 12 detailed, hands-on tutorials, you will gain a strong theoretical foundation along with practical modeling experience. Each tutorial includes step-by-step video instruction, Abaqus model files, simulation codes, and a relevant research paper to support effective learning. The course addresses a wide range of engineering applications, including fire analysis of steel timber beams, hollow core slabs under fire conditions, timber beams exposed to fire loads, steel joints with bolts under fire, steel frame fire analysis, fire simulation of reinforced concrete beams and columns, fire analysis of steel beams and columns, and dynamic bolt failure simulation, providing a comprehensive and applied understanding of structural behavior under fire exposure. FEM provides a powerful and flexible framework for realistically analyzing and simulating concrete structures. By capturing material nonlinearity, cracking behavior, and complex geometries, engineers can predict performance, optimize design, and ensure safety and reliability. This package is ideal for mechanical, structural, civil engineering students and researchers. With lifetime access to downloadable resources, you can learn at your own pace anytime and anywhere. I hope you have a good understanding of this package, but for more questions and details on each section, please visit our website Engineering Downloads or email us at info@engineeringdownloads.com.